Hey everyone. Today we'll go ahead and take a look at how to set up your ESP-IDF to program ESP32s on Windows 10. All right, let's get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead and download the a application file from the description in the video or on our blog on iotsimplified.com. So let's go ahead and first you want to do is run it as an administrator. Go ahead and say yes. And you'll get this setup tool here. So go ahead and accept the agreement. Go on. We already have Python already installed, so it'll ask you to download one if you don't have one already installed. We have a Git version already installed, so it'll also ask you to download one if you don't have one already installed. Should automatically detect them. So I don't have the ESP-IDF version installed anywhere in the computer yet. We'll go ahead and have that be downloaded. Um, and then, so it'll ask you which version you would like. So for now, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and get the latest version, which is the one that's kind of on the master branch right now. So yeah, we'll go ahead and pick that. And then it'll ask you where you want to place this. Honestly, I think it's best if it's under your profile user. Yeah, we'll go ahead and so if you want to start menu shortcuts and for the command prompt and just have all of them there would be pretty cool, easy access for you. And we'll go ahead and press install. All right, once it's finished installed, so we get back. All right, so we're back here and this is what we get. So we'll go ahead and say finish and we'll run the ESPIDF command prompt to get started here. All right, so now let's go ahead and test it out after our development tools are all set up. Let's go ahead and ESP, and then we'll change directory into it. Copy. And we're going to go ahead and get everything every time you run this command here. Mm, Hello world. And then we'll name it also Hello World. Cool. So we copied 6 files. Um, Now let's go ahead and configure it. Obviously, that's after you have connected your device, right? So we need to figure out which COM your device has connected to. So to figure that out, you can go ahead and search for devices or and look up for device. See the device manager here. Go ahead and go to ports and then your Silicon Labs. So this is what sometimes it'll be. It really depends on the chip, on the bridge that you have. But for me, it's the Silicon Labs CP2110. Um, and this is on COM4. So we'll go ahead and just remember that. It's COM4. Let's go ahead and just run this command, idf.py, and then build. And that should build the program for us there. And we'll give it a couple of minutes here and we'll come back after it's done. Alrighty, awesome. So it's done now. It went ahead and built it. So let's go ahead and flash it onto the device for us here. So we'll run the following and flashes. So this is for the port. So if you guys remember which port it was, I don't. So COM4. Um, and then we'll go ahead and just flash it. Let's go ahead. It's connecting to the chip, and there we go. And now it's just writing and done. That was quick and easy. Now let's go ahead and monitor. So we'll just run the IDF monitor. So IDF. We'll do the same. Um, we'll do the same thing we did earlier there. So we'll do the port, which is the COM4, but this time we'll go ahead and say monitor. An easier way for you to do it is just build and a flash and then monitor. That way you'll flash it first and then monitor it. But yeah, so this is running the hello world, and then every countdown, and then every 10 seconds it will restart again. So yeah, you set up the first project and ran your first project.